On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Mark was the winner of a free key tag. I would have given it to you when I saw you at Buc-ee's, but I didn't have one on me. What's up, boys? What do you think of my crew cab diesel? Yeah, 1000cc, 3-cylinder Yanmar. It's got a little bit of a knock.
Flashback.
New project, boys. Basically traded an e-bike. My friend Eric. It's a diesel. It's got a knock because the drive shaft wore through the oil filter and they run out of oil. Someone that borrowed it. I think because of a bad motor mount, but yeah, should be a fun little project. She is a knocker. You'll see when I get it to the house. Sounds good, right?
End of flashback.
I think cylinder 1 has left the building, but it did come with 3 full sets on rims, tires. Yeah, these are a little dry rotted. Not for highway use anyway. Come with a brand new windshield, never installed. Brand new winch in the box, a bunch of filters and belts and all kinds of stuff. Here's a brand new windshield right there. Never even installed. Today I choose you, 300 Cruiser. Some people were asking if it was this one that blew up. No, there's something weird with this, the way it runs. And it may be something with the clutches because I think it's just tacking out and hitting the rev limiter. But on this, I put a new fuel pump, map sensor, throttle position sensor, plugs, wires, coil. Just because it was acting kind of funky. It did need a fuel pump. The fuel pressure was like 6 pounds below the threshold. And it does run a little better. When it hits about 35, it hits the rev limiter, like 5,000 RPM, or 5,500 I think it is. So I don't know what's up with that. It's got 2 bars on a temperature gauge already. Calico cat. Got one going out for your wife too, Mark.
You got in there, Mike? I got a Honda VTX 1300.
Oh, nice.
Looks kind of like that, but except for it's longer, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I got a little buggy for sale if you're interested. Needs a starter. It's a Polaris Go-kart. I'll let you have it pretty cheap.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. If you're interested, I'll sell it to you for $500. It just needs a starter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just tired of messing with it.
I'll check it out.
If you get ready to come check it out, I'm there all the time.
All right. You never know who you're going to meet. Oh, boy, look how dirty this is. Wow, look at that pollen. Woo! $500. I can't pass that up. No, sir. I have to look at it. It's got suspension if it's like an overgrown golf cart. Too bad it wasn't an Ace. That's what I was thinking it was. I'll go look at it and see. I'll check my mail, but I better get it on the way back. Got a little kitty door, gizmo door, putting on our screen porch. That's right. Got a screen porch now. Wish there was a better way to get to my friend's house, but it's all highway in Lecanto. Yeah, it's where Billy used to live. Change a breaker out for her. I don't know why, but that cross-country 300 seems way more snappy. I know it's geared lower, but this was geared that low. Maybe this is that much heavier? Gonna be 83 today, 84. Feels like it's almost 80 now. Sorry, Northerners. You're still dealing with feet of snow, huh?
Grip the throttle tighter, chasing higher.
Man, they are working away at that. Getting ready to cross over with that bridge. Suncoast Parkway.
RPS Cruiser, tearing through the night. Power and style in the pale moonlight.
These Black Diamond shops are moving along pretty good too. I'm gonna have to bring the drone over, show the progress.
6 years to freedom, leave the world behind. The road is my kingdom, my throne's the ride.
Yeah, I like this cruiser. Perfect for what I'm doing. Want to zip around town. They'd probably do a long haul too, but I mean, it's perfect for driving around town. Oh, I did get saddlebags. That'll go on this and a Cross Country 300. They're Vivor saddlebags. Let's see how they work. I always get behind these type of people. Oh, look. Now they want to speed up. Look at the development in there, too. Davis Reserve. Some two-wheel therapy. Yeah. Look at the house going in. Might as well park in the shade.
A few moments later.
I'll see you later. Yeah, that was easy. Changed the breaker for her heat pump, installed a new thermostat for her. I get a free dinner, my wife and I. Oh man, you see scary movies coming out? That looks really, really good. I hope it offends a lot of people. Make comedy offend people again. Oh, nice gold wing. Another house going in. So tomorrow I'm going to take the Cross Country 300 and go for a ride with Vonzi. Take it right up to Goth Forest. Vonzi knows that area pretty good, so hit a couple of the trails up there. There's supposed to be a crossing that gets pretty deep, but we're having a drought here, so probably won't have hardly any water in it. Vonzi says might need a snorkel. Our cruise is pretty good at like 70. Little vibration in the feet, not much. Handlebars are not vibrating at all, really. Burn band still in effect. Crazy. Oh, that'd be fun. Hit that going around the corner. There's that new Home Depot again. I was going the wrong way. RPS Cruiser is a cruiser, no doubt. Oh, look at them clouds. Don't look like they're cloud seeding today. Some people call it chemtrails. Cloud seeding is real. I don't mean to be controversial, but look it up. Yeah, there's another one of them nice vans. Always wanted one of those. Yeah, I wonder if I should take a ride and see what that go-kart looks like, huh? Come on. The van knows what's up. Follow that van. A lot of sand on the road. I'm getting a little bit sandblasted. Sure, it's from all the construction. Gas back up to 319. It was like 279 here for a while. I wonder when my Jeep is gonna get done. Corrosion repair. Hopefully it's about the time I'm heading back in another month or so. Ooh, fan kicked on. Oh, he's got a ladder on both sides. Pretty cool. Guess he's not going into the campground. Oh. Now let's see if we can figure out where he lives. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a go-kart. Huh, that thing's pretty neat. Wow. That should be worth $500, huh? I would say. As long as the motor's not blown, that should definitely be worth $500. Wonder if they're home. I wish I could reach in here and try to turn it over. Huh, still turns over. I'll give him $500 for that. Heck yeah. See if he's home. Hi. I was talking with, I forget his name.
Doug,
He was saying he's selling that. Yeah, is he here?
they'll be back in a little bit. They just went grocery shopping, I think.
Okay, thanks. Maybe it comes with a trailer. Just line the projects up, Cheesy. Just keep lining the projects up. Well, what do you guys think? I think it's worth it. I'll look it up when I get home, what it's really worth. Well, that was fun. Good job, RPS Cruiser. Thanks for watching. New England Pastry and Cafe. We'll see what it's like. Well,
I think they did a good job. I'll give them a 9.
yeah, I'd say a 9. They did very, very good. Waitresses are very attentive. The food's excellent. And a nice peppery sausage gravy. I had the biscuits and gravy with the egg. What'd you get?
French toast, bacon, and eggs.
And they give you extra cinnamon and sugar. Isn't that crazy? Never seen that before. Good waitresses.
Muffin. What that is. You want to get 2 of those?
Apple cinnamon muffin. Yeah, we'll bring them home. It looks pretty good. Good pastry. I wonder if they're made fresh. They make these fresh? Daily? You do? All right.
Can we get 2 of the apple cinnamon?
They're 3 for $5. If you make the match.
I guess you might as well do that.
Do you want either of these? Because I don't.
What is that?
Cranberry, blueberry. You want the blueberry one? You like blueberries?
Yeah, I get 3 of those.
All right, we'll do 3 of the apple cinnamon.
There's some weight. Feel the weight to them muffins.
Oh, wow.
Jeez. If you haven't been here in Beverly Hills, definitely worth a stop.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.